Hi, my name is Reagan Roach, and I have the privilege of being an 8th grade science teacher at Cactus Canyon Junior High School. This group of students competed in a friendly contest where they demonstrated their understanding of the 8th grade chemistry standards. Based on a vote of their peers, this group won.
Enjoy our PSA!
Unfortunately, scenes like this play out across the country every day. But you can reduce your odds by spending a few minutes being safety-wise. Beginning with smoke alarms. A well-maintained smoke alarm can reduce the risk of death in a fire by more than 50%. Make sure one is installed in every sleeping area and on every level of your home. Test your smoke alarms monthly by pushing the test button. This not only ensures they are working, it also helps you become familiar with its sound. Change the batteries at least once a year, and don't forget to clear the dust bunnies with a blast of air. Remember, smoke alarms have a lifespan of about 8 to 10 years and should be replaced at this time. Yes, smoke alarms expire. Now let's go back and see how this scenario looks when you're safety-wise.
I'll get it.
Okay.
Hey guys!
Whoa.
What up?
What's up? Hey guys.
What is that noise?
Oh, I know what it is. It's your smoke detector. You need to check the batteries.
Let's go do it before we die.
That's a good idea.
Here's a new battery.
Thanks.
Thanks for watching our PSA!